Hey, it's Meat Thinker here. Today, I'll share with you how I do my seafood boil at home. I wanted a seafood boil, but I did not feel like setting up a large pot or propane burner outside. So I decided to do a stovetop boil with a large pot in the kitchen. So here we go. Before working on the boil itself, I went ahead and made the seafood boil sauce first. I left the ingredients for the sauce in the descriptions below. Please note that I use salted butter in this version, but use unsalted butter instead. First, grind onion and garlic. This will be the base for the sauce. Heat the pan in the medium heat and throw 2 cups of butter. Add ground onion and garlic. The garlic you see here is pre-ground, frozen garlic I keep in the freezer, which is a time saver when preparing food. Add sauce seasoning, stir and mix well. Keep it boiling for about 5 minutes and take them off heat and set aside. Today's vegetables are corn, potatoes, Brussels sprouts, mushroom, 1 large onion, and 1 clove of garlic, 2 lemons, and 2 links of smoked sausage. For seafood, we have shrimp, scallop, lobster claws, and mussels. For the bowl, I have a steamer pot that I haven't used in a while. I filled it with a gallon of water. I used Cajun brand seasoning from my last crawfish bowl. It takes about 1 cup of this seasoning per gallon of water. And add onion, garlic, squeezed lemon, potatoes, smoked sausage, and boil for about 15 minutes or until done and remove. Add Brussels sprouts, corn, and mushroom. Boil for about 10 minutes and remove. Add lobster claws and scallops. Boil for about 5 minutes and remove. Add shrimp and boil for about 5 minutes and remove. Mommy? Add mussels and boil for 10 minutes and remove. Put all seafood into a large bowl and add sauce and mix it well. It looks fantastic and smells fantastic. Now it's time to check out to see if it tastes fantastic. And yep, it tasted fantastic too. I could eat this every day. There you have it. This recipe may not be traditional to many original recipes out there, but I do know that it tasted so good that my family went to town on this meal. So give this recipe a try and tweak it per your liking. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking. Come wash your hands. Time to eat. Come on. Time to eat, buddy.